Wiry is exciting, and it's a great journey in a safe environment. We have a lot of fun no matter what we're doing. My first summer break while Wiry experience was 7th grade. It has expanded my mindset on everything in the world, honestly, because usually when I'm home, I barely go anywhere. And then when I came here for the summer, my first summer was honestly the greatest thing because we went to do so many different things that I've never heard of or even done. And it just expands everything that you really think about and like your whole perspective of the world. It's very important to learn about a lot of things that we do. Math, science, we learn about different types of like culture, and we learn about how to express our emotions and how to deal with them. Not just during Wiry, you build a lot of relationships no matter where you're at. You build connections with people that you're around and you have fun and you enjoy your experience here. I think Mount Hershey would definitely be proud of what MHS has done for Wiry and students who cannot go home, because Wiry is in general supposed to help students enjoy their experience at MHS even though they're not able to go home and see their families.